Hey everybody, I'm Evan. I'm with Solved. We help businesses automate using Salesforce's Agentforce platform. So excited today, going to dive into Agentforce's Atlas Reasoning Engine, and specifically how is that benefited by Data Cloud? How do those two make each other work better? So we've got videos on both of those things. They go into more detail, but at a super high level, the Atlas Reasoning Engine makes agents smarter and more capable and allows them to think a little bit better. It's just going to make them better across the board. And then Data Cloud is a customer data platform built on top of Salesforce that aggregates all the data from your whole organization, puts it in one place, and then formats it for use by agents. So how do these two things work together? It's kind of two primary ways. Number one, an agent really is only as good as the data that it has access to. So just like, let's take an example. Maybe you're wondering how, based on everything we know about a certain customer, what's the right marketing approach to get them interested in new products? A human employee would need to have access about that customer. They'd say, okay, what service cases have they opened? What email communication have we had with them? What products have they bought in the past? What's their industry like? So an agent, in order to give you that information or start a marketing campaign, is going to need to know those things. And the way that you can gather all that information into one place, Data Cloud is absolutely the best way to do this. So anybody that's built an agent or an AI project knows that the hardest part, or one of the hardest parts, is getting the data in the right place for the agent to use. So getting it out of the platforms where it was stored, putting it all in one place where the agent has access, and then formatting it, either vectorizing or whatever you need to do to get the information in a way that the agent can actually use it. So Data Cloud's purpose built for that. It's going to make agents actually able to access the information they need to do things that are useful. So that's the first way. The second way is there's some pretty cool features coming along with Atlas Reasoning Engine that through Data Cloud, they're going to have access to your data, the metadata. So the information about the data, understand essentially, if I want to know this thing specifically, where should I look for that? What is the shape of the data? What's the type of information that you're storing on cases or on page views? Like, what do I have access to? And then able to think and reason through, okay, what's the information that I need and what's useful? So all of that's coming, very exciting. What do you do next? You can start playing around with this for free right now. So you can get Data Cloud credits and Agentforce credits for free through Salesforce. And where I would start is just identify kind of a simple use case for an agent and then build out a proof of concept. So use some of those free credits to get data pulled in from your organization and use the data transformation and identity resolution features that Data Cloud has to make it all simple for you. And then build out a use case and start playing around. And then, of course, once that's working, then you can think about scaling and paying for more credits and things if it's got a good ROI. If you want help to identify a proof of concept, feel free to reach out. Happy to jump on anytime, kind of talk through some of the things we've built, things that I've heard about clients or help clients to build, and then just kind of get the gears turning. And then, of course, if you have a use case and you want help to build out a proof of concept, happy to help with that too. Just reach out anytime. Solve.cloud, and then there's like a, contact us and you can get in touch with us. So, all righty. Well, thanks everybody. We'll chat soon.